guys, welcome to Gordy in Colour. We're back with another video. This is the Round Rebel. Let's put it through the automatic wash. Let's go. Before we get into this video, I think I need a haircut, so let's just cut it. That's much better. And we'll just probably do a shave as well. Yeah, much more crisp. Perfect way to start a video. Let's go. Round Rebel. You might be wondering if it'll go through an automatic wash. I mean, a manual wash would probably be recommended, but it does, it will go through. Let's take a look at the video. Local automatic wash near me. And let's see how we get on. So guys, we've put it through the wash and it comes out pretty good. That's about $5 for an automatic wash, and for such a big truck, nice quick way of doing it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe as always, and we'll be back with some more content very soon. Take care.